Welcome back to the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. I'm Ernest, and this is a snow day in the life of a mobile mechanic. This winter it's been snowing like crazy in Utah, and today I have two cars that need my help. One car is stuck at work until I'm able to fix it, and the other car has been having some serious issues the past couple of days. They think it's a brake problem, but we're gonna have to get up there and look at it first to figure it out. Welcome back to the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. Another snow day. These flakes are super cool. Actually, this light's amazing right here. Look at the snow just glimmering through there. It's because these flakes are huge. You never actually see real snowflakes like this. It takes super specific conditions to make these kind of snowflakes, so it's super awesome that they're actually here. But we got about 3 inches last night. I've got to go fix somebody's battery that's dead, so let's hit the road and do that. All right, first place I went to doesn't have that battery. It said they had 3 in stock, but we can't find them. I'm gonna go get gas because I'm almost out, and then I'll go check a different, maybe just like a hub store. Pretty weird, my gas cap actually got frozen on. That's the first time that's ever happened to me. No big deal, got it off, let's get going. Just gotta pick up a few things while I'm here, and saw this cool new ratchet. I got some windshield washer fluid and finally found that battery. If you liked the video so far, subscribe on the way. Alright, everything got a little bit of snow on it in the back. Straighten up there. These gloves are going to be freezing. These leather gloves take like 10-20 minutes to warm up on my hands. But they do a good job of keeping them warm when they're warm. Just got to get them there first. Should have sat on them in the truck or something. I had them in the back. Oh, that's so cool. Alright, I'm going to test this battery and tell you how we figured out I had a dead battery this morning. Okay, cool. This bad boy needs to be cleaned under the hood though. This battery's 4 years old, 5 years old now in this vehicle. This is probably the original. The corrosion didn't help. Might have led to killing it. Well, my buddy said that he's been able to jump it off, but it's been kind of inconsistent, and it's just unnervy that it leaves you stranded. But this morning he tried jumping it off with his wife's vehicle and then with the jump box, and they didn't work individually, so he called me and I told him to try both at the same time, and that worked. So it's here at work now. It's already at 11.4 volts. It's just been here for an hour or two. Let's see if this is still warm. Oh yeah, nice and toasty, but I can't really convert. I'll put my gloves down there. So right now we've already got 11.4 volts. These are supposed to have 500 cold cranking amps. I'm not going to be able to see that on the sticker, but I know that from my research this morning. All right, this thing's in poor shape. It's got 50 cold cranking amps. So we're going to go ahead and replace that. That back, because sometimes I forget to put those back and then I'm strapping the battery down and then I remember. That's super frustrating. Take the strap back off. Okay, new battery. All right, new one into place. Okay, I've seen so many of those over tightened. It just bends the battery. Plastic, no need to do that. All of the battery stuff tight enough to where it doesn't wiggle. All right, let's clean up that terminal. That one's bad. Go ahead and clean up the posts. It's nice and clean. People always ask about this tool. You can find this tool and all my favorite tools in the description. All right, that ought to do it. Easy little call out, nothing weird. As long as this starts up all right and everything goes well. All right, that'll do it. That's a job well done. All right, that went super well. I just reset everything, reset the battery. Everything looks good to go, so it started up by itself several times. You saw that. So at the start of this day, I didn't know I was going to be filming 2 videos, and I actually shaved my beard. Like you saw in my most recent video I just shaved, that happened right before this. All right, what a bummer. I just got up here. This is like 50 miles away, and I brought brakes with me because I was just going to save a trip. I mean, there's auto parts stores up here. It's not a big deal. But I definitely wasn't planning on it being the back brakes, and that's just clear as day. We're just gonna have to replace those. All right, let me pop out an order. I'll have to go grab that and then rear brakes. Oh, take those keys out there. Okay, this side's about the same. Not as bad. Ah, that's a thorn tree. All right, let's find the nearest auto parts store that has some of those in stock. I've got the VIN number. All right, so luckily there's an AutoZone like a mile, 1.3 miles away. So I just came over here real quick. But we're in the city up here. It's way more city than where I'm from. Get back over there real quick. All right, here we are. All right, let's both at the same time. Let's get a jack stand. Perfect. Simple design. Is it pushed in? Oh. It's like double whammy best combo there. All right, these pads. Bad. Let's check those out. And that'll do it. You kind of have to replace rotors anyways when you replace pads, so it is what it is. The inside wore out a little bit less fast. It's interesting, that usually wears out faster. See if I can pop this off real quick. There we go. Parking brake looks fine. That's good. This is the first time in forever I've actually left one of my tools on the job. I left my whole rail of sockets here after I was done, so the next day I had to drive back up here 50 miles and pick up my sockets for nothing. Well, I filmed an outro on just the first video, but I decided to add this one too, so let's jump back to Bearded Me giving the outro. If you like this video, subscribe and leave this video a thumbs up to let me know you want more of these kinds of videos. Leave a comment down below if you want to support, or you can donate at the links down in the description. If you like this video, I think you're going to love this one, and I'll see you on the next episode of Roadside Rescue. That's a job well done.